All right, so today we're going to be talking about class methods, and sometimes you'll hear these referred to as factory methods. So we're going to take a look at these. This is where we left off last time. We just created a little class here called animal. We're initializing it here, and then we have this little create method. And basically when we run this, you'll see we get printed to the screen this create string like this. We're passing in 30 and dog, and that's what we're getting right here after calling dog.create. So that's where we left off, but now we want to talk about kind of another way you might handle this. And this is going to be with a class method. So the idea of these kind of factory methods here, they're going to provide us with another way to create an object, basically. And they do this without kind of exposing the logic to the client. So instead of passing these values in here, we're going to add them up here inside of our class. So let's go ahead and just show you, because this is going to be pretty confusing unless we show you an example. So let's come up here, and we're going to come in below this, and we're going to create a class method here. Now, to make a class method, we have to use a decorator. So a decorator is just going to be like this, and we're going to say class method like that. And then below this will give us access to everything we need. And basically, we haven't gone into decorators before, but basically they are going to extend the behavior of the class. So let's create something. We'll just call it def, and we're going to say basic like this. And then we'll pass in CLS. Now, CLS isn't anything special. It's just convention, and it's going to stand for class there. So we'll have our typical syntax here, and then all we're going to do is return, and we'll say CLS, and then we will say the same thing as below. So we'll say 30, and we will say dog. So this is going to be our basic method that we might run a bunch of times. Now, obviously, this could be anything else. Now, in order to use this, instead of passing in these values down here, now we can go like this, and we can say animal.basic like this, and call that, and then call create below. So this will set to dog still, and we'll call animal.basic, which will run this. So now when we save this and run this, you should get the same result. And we do right here. Dog weighs 30 pounds. So that is a little introduction to class methods and the idea of factory methods in general. There's a bunch more we can do with them, but this is a great way to create an object in Python. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.